Umentri rangba kajala Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma haka arpusau terik kelalengkot arajar arpusan ulayo ban plipat ba da kapakap yu ribon ya ka first referral unit hapo CHC Ranikor kabahap hapo Ranikor Civil Subdivision Southwest Khasi Hills District. Habakrani kilat pathai khubor Konrad ke sangma ulai kublai kerpang ya katanat ka kwat ka khia jang kajala Meghalaya brok kawe kabala shim khia ban penbit penbiang ya ka jingdon kam hapo ka CHC Ranikor ha kaba haka arpusau terik kelalengkot arjar arpusan da ka jingkermen ban ai kilat jing syakri bapaka lingba ka tanat ka kwat ka khia la yo ban play ka first referral unit ka ban nong ka jing mentoi nak benta ban penbit penbiang bat ka jingdon kam jang gi papang bestam. Hakajuk kapor ulo ong bakajing play ya kani ka first referral unit kan long kajing mentoi ki nong pang ki badon kam kajing sumar bakerke ne emergency namar kim da don kam show ban ne jingai nala ka subdivision Henry tang hapo kani ka jaka sumar ru kalabyang pura. Shushu ulo ong ru bakathong jaka sorkar ka long ban ra shajan yikila jing sumar ki bapaka shikilong yeng long sem barakishnong ki thao. Kibalaya don lang hakani kasngi kilong naduk ki officer sorkar na po ka Directorate Health Services DHS Shillong bot kumju ru na po ka office jong District Medical and Health Officer Southwest Khasi Hills bat ki wede.
Program is complete, no?
Not a lot of CHCs, but like without this, not fine.
And these CCS serve for the whole total of the border area.
So many patients are going to Bangladesh, so people are saying, yes, sir.
Amount of, pain that you can take away from people, you can't imagine, really. So it's really a great responsibility also, but a great a chance to really serve. It really do so much good for the people. So really, congratulations to all of you. It was wonderful work, really amazing. I mean, you just close your eyes and just open it, you wouldn't believe that you were in Ranikor.
Yeah, that's one. Especially for the surface.
No. Great. Right now in the Ranikor CHC, where we have just inaugurated the first referral unit out here in the Ranikor CHC. And as you can see behind me, that the operation theatre right here, this has been upgraded, and now all the facilities required to carry out most of the operations, the facilities are available right here in Ranikor CHC. Apart from the operation theatre, the labor room and other equipments for different kind of investigation have also been upgraded. And this is part of our efforts to strengthen our rural infrastructure, especially in terms of health, because we've seen that people have to travel long distances to avail basic health facilities. They have to travel sometimes 5-6 hours, which could be the difference between life and death for some of them. So therefore, we are very happy that these kind of facilities are coming out throughout the state, and this is another example of our commitment to strengthen our health services throughout the state. And I must congratulate the entire health department for the initiative that they have taken, whether it's the directors, our principal secretary, our minister, all of them. I would like to congratulate them for the great achievement. I also would like to thank our doctors and nurses who have been placed here and are providing dedicated service. It is not always easy to be in interior locations and providing the kind of service that they do, but their dedication, in a way sacrifice, and the commitment to their work, and more important to the people of the state, is something that I would like to give my sense of appreciation to them, and I wish them the very best, and once again thank the entire health department for the excellent work that is taking place. Thank you.